Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make mayonnaise at home. To make mayonnaise you need to have a clean jar. Make sure there should be no water left. And here goes the items that you need. That's salt, sugar and black pepper. And a clean jar, as I said before, oil, spatula ready, and the spices, 2 eggs and a blender by Murphy's jars. For flavoring I'm going to add garlic cloves, vinegar. If you don't have vinegar you can even add lemon juice.
So let's just start making mayonnaise.
Let's just start making
First,
the oil, garlic cloves, all the spices, and eggs. Now let's mix it up everything. Give a good blend. So if you want to make a thick kind of mayonnaise, then you can even add more oil to get that texture, thick form. I like in this way, so I'm making it this way. So if you like it, please let me know your valuable comments. Thank you.